Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 10th, our word of the day is collude. C-O-L-L-U-D-E. Collude. Collude is a 7-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Collude means to act together secretly or illegally to deceive or cheat someone. Similar words include conspire, connive, compass, contrive, intrigue, machinate, plot, collaborate, scheme. Examples of sentences using collude are: several local officials have been jailed on charges of colluding with the Mafia. He accused his opponents of colluding with one another. Certain officials were colluding in the avoidance of drug tests. It was suspected that the police had colluded with the witnesses. The two companies had colluded to fix prices. They are accused of colluding to block the sale of the vacant land. Make sure to save this new word, collude, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.